Good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk how we can use Google Drive and Dropbox, OneDrive as a virtual assistant and as a customer support person. So Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive is a cloud-based storage where you can store different kinds of files, whether documents, pictures, videos. So let's start with Google Drive. Go to your Google search and search for Google Drive. So you sign in here, click on sign in. So you sign with automatically sign you in with your Gmail. So this is our interface. This is all the files I have on my drive. This is home. This is your Google Drive home. This is where you get to see your folders and recent files that you have opened. We have my drive. This is where you see all the files and folders you have in your drive. This is computers. This is where you see all the document on your computer. That is if you synchronize your system with your Google Drive. This is shared with me. This is where you see all the files and folders other people share with you. This is recent. This is where you see the recent documents you opened. You also have starred. These are the where you see the document you have starred as important. This is our spam. File is spam would appear anywhere in Excel. So this spam is not like file that they think is it contains virus or scam. This is bin. This is where you see your deleted files or deleted items. So we have storage. This is where you see your storage, your drive storage. This show you the amount of storage left. This will show that your Gmail is taking 260 kilobytes of your drive. This one is showing that other documents are taking 100.7 MB of your drive. So how do we add documents, files, video, pictures to our drive? We come to this new, click on this plus new. To add a new folder, you click on new folder, you name the folder and let me say tutorial videos, create. So if you come to my drive, see the folder I just created. So that's how to create a folder. So how to upload a file? You click on file, click on new, and you click on file upload. It open your system local storage. You click on the file you want to upload and click on it will automatically, let me see, click on open. You wait, see it's uploading one items. You see it has successfully the file I just upload now, and same thing to upload a folder. If maybe you have a multiple files inside the folder, to upload it at once you click on folder upload and click on the folder you want to upload and click on upload. Contain 13 file, you click on upload, see them, it's trying to upload the files already. See, they are completed. Look at it. Look at the file inside the folder I just uploaded. Another thing we can do on our drive is create a Google Docs. Google Docs is the same thing as our Microsoft Word. So you click to create a Google Docs, you click on new and you click on Google Docs. Another thing we can do with our Google Drive is we can create a Google Sheets, we can create a Google Drive, we can create Google Vids, and you can create a Google Form. And that most of it you can Google Drawing, Google Maps, Google Sites, Google Apps Scripts, and also you can connect more apps with our Google Drive. So another thing we can do is we can share our files with other people. We can share our file with other people. We can share our folder. We can share our video. Let me say Five books you read for success. I want to share it with my friend. You come to this to right and click on this three menu and you click on share. Share. You can copy the link and forward to the person you want to share, or click on share to give some access to the person you want to share it with. You click on this person and type their email here, and this place you can restrict them. See, restrict only people with link can open this file is restricted, but anyone with the link, anyone with the link. So if I want to share this file with someone and anywhere with the link, I can also change the role. Is it for them to view only? Would I give them access to comment or edit? If it's someone that I just wanted to view, I click on view. If I wanted to view and comment, I click on commenter. If I wanted to view and also edit the file, maybe make some correction to the file, I click on editor and then I copy the link and forward it to the person I want to share it with, and so on and so forth. Another app you can use for cloud storage is Dropbox. Go to your Google and search Dropbox. Dropbox is also a cloud storage. So click on Dropbox and sign up with your you sign up with your mail for you to, so this is it. You click on start free trials or sign up. Once you click on sign up, you say continue with Google your Google account. To sign up, click on your Google account and continue. So you agree and sign up. So this is our Dropbox interface, uh, just like our Google Drive. This is our interface. Let me quickly explain the interface. This is where we have our home. This is where we have folders. The folders we created inside the Dropbox. This is where we have activity. This is just our notification of show us the activity that we are what we have done. And this more is to show you more about more product of Dropbox. So you can also upload, create a file, folder, pictures, music, videos, and all that. So how to create a file? You click on this new and create folder. Click on folder. See the name of the folder. Video tutorial. Only who will have access to this folder. You can pick some specific people or only me and click create. So it's already creating our folder for us. Look at it. This is our folder, video tutorial. Another thing you can do is click on this name to create a document. We have Dropbox paper doc, Dropbox paper templates, Microsoft Word and Google Docs. They collaborate with Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Dropbox collaborates that you can use Microsoft Word and Google Docs inside Dropbox. So you can create a presentation which is Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slide. You can create a spreadsheet, which is Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Web shortcuts, this is where you can short your web or a web link. You can also upload a file and folder, the same thing we did in Google Drive. Transfer a copy, send file. You can send file request. Maybe you want to request the file from a friend or a colleague. So import from Google. You can also import a file from Google Drive. Maybe you want to get a file from your Google Drive, you want to make use of it on your Dropbox and the file is inside your Google Drive. You can also do that by connecting your mail, your Google Drive to your Dropbox so that they will give you access to your Google Drive. So you see, this is the content of everything. You see this at the file I upload. If I want to move it to or I select, click on it and select upload. See, it's fetching files from Google Drive. Once it's done, it's going to, you see, view file. See the file. You are going to see the file I just upload from my Google Drive to Dropbox. You see, maybe another thing I like about Dropbox is that you can use it to sign or edit. You can use it to edit video, edit image, edit PDF, or you can also use it to sign a document. So maybe I want to sign this document I just uploaded. So that's one nice thing about I like about Dropbox. This signing of a thing. Maybe someone send a file across to you to sign. You can do that using Dropbox. You see, draw. Once I come here, I can draw my signature. Clear. Always make sure your cursor is inside this box for you. It's inserted, and you do what? You save. You see how nice this feature is on Dropbox. I like it so much. Look at it. It's showing to show me the new document I just signed, and maybe after signing it, I can now send it to that person. Look at my signature. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is the book I just made signature to. So that's all with Dropbox. So finally, another 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 cloud storage I want us to talk about is OneDrive. Go to your go to your Google and search OneDrive. So you sign in using your mail. So you sign in using your mail. So this is how our OneDrive looks like. See, you can see I don't have any file. Same thing as our Google Drive and our Dropbox. To upload a file, you can upload a file, you can upload a document, you can upload a video and everything. To upload a file or document, you click on create or upload. So if you want to create a folder, you click on folder. If you want to upload a file, click on file upload. If you want to upload a folder, click on folder upload. If you want to create a Word document, this is it. If you want to create Excel workbook, this is you want to create PowerPoint presentation, you want to create one notebook, Excel survey and text documents, and so on and so forth. And say you can also this is our gallery to upload photo into our OneDrive. So that's all with our cloud storage. So today we are able to cover Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive as a virtual, how to use it as a virtual assistant and a customer support person. We must make sure our files are secured and saved in a, a place that it will be very easy to get it. Imagine you save it on your system, or your laptop, or on your phone, and get lost or something happen to it. Instead of you panicking, "Ah, I lost my file, I did like that," the best thing is to upload it on this your drive, your Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. They will be there forever. As far as you have access to your mail, you'll be able to get back your file. Thank you very much. I hope you are able to get something nice. You are able to learn something from this video.